Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sarah, and today we are doing a Shop Hush haul. I mean, what else is new? I'm on the app all the time. I've had a couple boxes come already. I tried to haul them all in one the first time. I have 2 boxes that came this time, and I actually kind of waited so I could do just one big haul. So everything came the other day, and they always have this really cute pink box. I'm not going to show you the front of it because it has my address on it. That'd be creepy. So I'm just going to jump right into this and show you guys what I got, because it's a bunch of stuff that I've wanted for a while but kind of waited off on. If you have the app, you can get points every day that you log in, and so I got a lot of points. I took like $5 or $6 off in points, which was really nice. So yeah, I have a couple palettes, face masks, brushes, all the good stuff. So let us just jump right in. Alright, so starting off, I love to start off with my skincare. So I picked up 3 new face masks that I haven't tried yet, except for this one. I have tried this one. What am I saying? This is the anti-pollution cocoa something face mask from Leaders. That's like my favorite brand on Shop Blush. It's $1. That's from Leaders. This is also from Leaders. This is an illuminating treatment mask. I don't know. And this is also from Leaders. What a surprise. And this is another coconut gel mask, and it's broccoli. This one was sold out for some reason, and I wanted to try it. So it's broccoli. I don't know. I'm kind of excited to try it out, but my favorite brand is the Leaders brand. They're all $1 on Shop Hush, so pick those up. And next for skincare, I have 3 different little bottles right here, all from, there we go, from The Ordinary. So firstly, I picked up this Okalan solution 10%, and so this is a solution for like minor wrinkling, and so I'm a very expressive person and I have minor like forehead wrinkling, and I thought if I add this to my routine, maybe I can do something about it before I'm old and really wrinkly. So we'll see. I'll do a separate review, I think, on that after using it for a few months, see if I notice anything different. Next, I just picked up a really simple hyaluronic acid and B5. It's a hyaluronic acid 2%. I love adding HA to my lotion and my skincare routine. It really helps with moisture retention. For me, I have a very oily skin type, and I find that adding HA really helps to moisturize without like having to pack on a ton of extra oily products. And lastly is one I wanted for a while, but it was sold out. I think it's sold out again on their site. This is the cold pressed rose hip seed oil, and this is $9, and I'm pretty excited to add this to my routine. It's supposed to be, I cannot remember, there's a scientific name for it, but there are different kinds of like soluble fats and stuff like that in different kind of oils. And so this is a good one for like topical hydration as far as like oily skin types go, and it's not gonna break you out or anything like that. So again, I'll do a Ordinary skincare review probably in like the next month or so, because I have a couple products I'm testing out in my skincare routine right now. That is one of them. Next, I just picked up this really tiny little brush. I thought it was going to be bigger. It was only $1, if I can get it out. It's from Clean Color, and I have some of their other stuff that I really like, and so I thought I'd just add another little to do like setting under my eyes. Oh, it's actually really, it's actually so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, now I wish it was really big, but it's so soft. Okay, I'm like really impressed with this $1 brush. I wish it was like a lot bigger. It actually feels like so nice, and it's so soft, and it's really dense, so it'll be good for like packing on, what is that? Setting powder, because your girl is oily and I need to pack that crap on. So next, I think I want to talk about, I'll do the palettes last because I got a couple palettes. I picked up this LA Girl Pro powder in banana. I've never had a banana setting powder before, and so I thought I would just try it out. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. It's got a little poof. And so, I mean, it's a setting powder. It's not really big. I think this was $4. I think it might have been $3 or $4. I just thought I'd try it out. I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I really like it, so I thought I would try this out with my concealer under my eyes. And, I mean, I've never had a banana powder, so I wanted to see how that worked. Next, I picked up another one of these glosses from Clean Color. They are a matte lip gloss, which makes no sense. It's what I'm wearing right now, not this color, but it's the same formula or whatever. It's kind of like, it does move around a bit. I don't like to use a whole lot of it when I'm going out. I'll just put like one swipe and just kind of dab it into my lips. The colors are really, really pretty though, and for $1 each, you can't go wrong. You can't lose. Next, I picked up a LA Colors Cover Up Pro Concealer. It's in a stick form. I have the LA Colors foundation, which I really like, and so I thought I would try out the concealer too. And this was like $3. I got the color Light Honey, I think. Yeah, I got Light Honey. I got it for highlighting and contouring. Well, obviously not contouring, it's too light to contour, but the highlighting part is what it's for. I also picked up just a lip scrub. I heard a lot of good things about these. People compare them to the Lush Cosmetics lip scrubs, so I got it in the flavor Mango, which would be nice so I can scrub this crud off my lips after. And then last, before I get into the eyeshadow palettes, I just got another eyebrow pencil. It's got a little spoolie at this end. I think it's like in the color dark brown or like taupe brown. I don't know. It's from Nicka K, New York. I don't know. It was like $1, so I thought I'd pick it up. You never have too many eyebrow things. As you can see, my eyebrows, they need help sometimes. So, okay, now we're in for the good stuff. So first, I wanted to show you guys this palette that I got, which is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I will link the individual review video down below for this palette. This is the Amazonian Clay palette by Okalan, and it's so pretty. I did some swatches in the other video, so like I said, it'll be linked down below. These are all matte colors, and then these four here are shimmer shades or like metallic-y shades. And it's actually really, really beautiful. I love neutral mattes, and I love to just do like a really simple smoky eye, and these are all really fun. They're very pigmented and they lay really nicely on the eye. Next, I picked up the 9 Natural palette from Nicka K. And this, it comes with this weird little, This I actually swatched a little bit yesterday. Oh my gosh, there's still swatches on my arm. I'll swatch in the back of my hand. And I was quite impressed with the color. This is a $3 eyeshadow palette. Can you see that? It's not picking up very well on my skin. And then it has like, these are more of like highlighting shades, I feel, on the bottom. But the color payoff for a $3 palette, like look at that. It's a little powdery, but I mean, she's $3. The colors are actually like really, really pretty. And it even has like some matte shades, and so I figured it'd be a really good, like a traveling palette. And so those are just good. It's such messies. I'm so bad at swatching. But I figured it'd be a really good neutral travel palette. So it has like some highlighters, some glittery shades, and then matte shades, and they're all very pigmented. I was really impressed. I wanted to share this contour glow kit thing. It has matte and shiny. It's from a brand called Amuse. It was $7, and the swatches online looked like so nice, and they look really nice in the pan. I'm not a big blush person. This is like the first time I've worn blush in like a year, but I thought, I mean, why not? Some of these colors are actually like really pretty, and then some of them are just like, I mean, I don't know. Is blush supposed to be like that? I'm not very like knowledge, like that's literally this, like, it's like a highlight shade. It doesn't even do anything. And then also it's supposed to have like this contour color right here. It looks like gray. It looks gray in real life, and online, the swatches online made it look very brown. But I mean, it does have these really nice highlight shades on the end here. So again, swatches are messy. This, I wouldn't pick it up, and it smells like kids makeup. So the only one that I'm really kind of excited about is literally just this really pinky shade, and then these couple of like shimmer highlight shades more for like a bronzy look. These four right here, don't even, no. I personally, I would not pick this up if I would have known it was that kind of quality. Again, $6. Basically got it for free because I used all my points to get this piece of crap. Anyways, I mean, it's not all crap. Some of the shades were nice. Like you saw, that one pink was just like, dang girl. But everything else was just not impressive. This is the Barely Nude 2 palette from Beauty Creations, and it comes in this box, and it's actually packaged really nicely. I haven't gotten anything yet from Beauty Creations. They do have an online store, and I'll link them down below. And it comes packaged so nicely in this kind of like tin plastic thing. It's matte though, and it's pretty nice. Snaps open like the old Naked palettes. And there she is. This looks so much like the Naked Neutrals, I think is what it is, palette. It's got like a little Naked Urban Decay brush in there. But these are really, really nice. They're all neutral tones. My mother-in-law has the Urban Decay Naked Neutrals. They're all matte too, which is really nice. We'll swatch just like this dark brown, this red, and then this like medium brown. You see that? I'm so bad at this. But they're actually really nice. They're very creamy. The formulas, it's soft, creamy. It gets the job done. It snaps closed. It's nice. It's very sleek and minimal, which I like. But yeah, these are really beautiful. They're all matte shades, and I'll be playing around with this. I'll probably do a separate video on this later. And lastly, what I've really been waiting for is the Sunset Boulevard palette by Ruby May Cosmetics. They launched these on Shop Hush like 3 weeks ago, and they sold out in the first day, and I was really bummed because I was really looking forward to trying out this brand. They restocked though last week. I think this is back out of stock though, but I picked it up for $15 on Shop Hush, which is even cheaper than on RubyMadeCosmetics.com, which is kind of exciting. And you open her up. Oh, there goes my little sheet. But this is why I wanted to get this palette. Look at those. And again, the swatches for this online are gorgeous. So we're just gonna see. I swatched these a little bit on my Insta story yesterday. But let's just, for old time's sake, we'll swatch a couple of these. So I'm going to swatch Tiffany, Glam, Roxy, and let's do Dolls.
I don't even know if you can see. Oh my gosh.
Oh girl, they're so pigmented. Let me just try to like, oh. So those are some of the metallic shades. I'll be doing a separate Ruby May Cosmetics review if I could get back into my chair. Because I have 2 more palettes coming that I just ordered, but they're so like creamy. Oh, that's a bad swatch. That's a matte shade, but as far as like the other ones go, they're really nice. Oh, but I'm really excited. This was $15 on Shop Hush. Hopefully they'll restock it soon. I don't know where my napkin went. But it's super pretty. It's got these pinks, like a purpley is this Boulevard one, and then like, again, lots of neutral tones. I have 2 other palettes coming, and I'll do a full separate review for Ruby May Cosmetics. But also the packaging's really nice on this. It's a cardboard, but it's like a really hard cardboard. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you are a Shop Hush addict like me. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'm putting out videos once or twice a week. Once I get into a rhythm of things, I'll post when I'm actually going to be posting. That doesn't make any sense. I'll post the days that I'll be posting on a regular basis. So yeah, don't forget to check out some of those makeup shops down below. They're really awesome small companies that are all based in LA area, which is really cool. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time with me. Bye!